Good morning, class 8. In this session, we'll be discussing the second lesson of your reader book, The Tsunami. And let me tell you, what is a tsunami? Tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquake, and that also under the sea. And on 26 December 2004, a tsunami, a giant tsunami, disastrous tsunami hit Thailand and some parts of India, such as Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Tamil Nadu coast. And this lesson comprises of a few experiences of the people who survived in this giant tsunami disaster, and how they survived, the people they lost in that tsunami. This is all explained in this lesson. And one more point has been explained here, that how do animals come to know about such disasters, nature disasters, natural disasters, and how do they survive? So let us begin. So in this first passage of this lesson, it's told about some stories from Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. What is archipelago? Archipelago is a group of islands. Okay, so while you listen to this passage, first passage of this lesson, second lesson, you will do difficult word meanings in your notebook, and question answers related to this passage I'll upload in the assignment section. So you had to copy it down from there and do it in your fair notebook. Let us begin. So one description about Ignatius man, who was a manager in cooperative society there in Andaman and Nicobar Island. His wife woke him up in the morning at 6 a.m. because she felt some tremors. कुछ झटके उसने earthquake के महसूस किए. So he was, the man was very careful and he was looking around and he was suspicious कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ होने वाला है. So in this chaos and confusion, what he did, he took his two children and their mother's father and their mother's brother. They rushed into the opposite direction, but this is very sad that he never saw them again. Even his wife was also swept away in tsunami waves. Only the three children who came with him were saved. Similarly, other story of a policeman, Sanjeev. He was also working in their Nicobar group of islands as a police person, and somehow he managed to save himself, his wife, his baby daughter. But when he heard the cries of help of one lady, wife of his friend, so what he did, he tried to save her and he jumped into the water to save that lady, but they sadly they both were washed away. तब वो बच नहीं पाए सुनामी से. Another story of a 13-year-old girl, Meghna. She was also there at that time and she was swept away, swept along with her parents, and 77 other people in tsunami, and she spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. And while she was there on that wooden door, she saw 11 times she saw the rescue helicopter. But the fact was, the helicopter was not able to watch her, and so she was not saved. But she was saved. She was pushed by a giant wave on the shore. उसको धक्का लगा होगा एक बड़ी वेव का, एंड वो उस पे आके गिर गई समुद्र तट पे. एक और लड़की है जो एल्मा जावेद, 10 साल की लड़की है. शी वॉज ऑल्सो स्टडिंग इन दैट प्लेस. पोर्ट ब्लेयर में कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में वो पढ़ती थी, और उसकी मम्मी वहाँ पे राहिला, वो वहीं पे थे, एंड दे हैड गॉन देयर टू सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस. So when the tremors came early of the earthquake in the morning, the family was sleeping. So Alma's father saw that the sea water was very disturbing. So he sensed the danger, that something very dangerous is about to come. So what he did, they ran. They ran from there, and Alma's grandfather was by the time they were running, Alma's grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. So Alma's father rushed to help him. So that time a big giant wave came up, and Alma's father and grandfather, they both were washed away. But Alma's mama and aunts, they stood clinging, मीन्स उन्होंने बहुत ज़ोर से कोकोनट पेड़ के जो पत्ते होते हैं उनको पकड़ लिया ज़ोर से. तो एक बहुत बड़ी वेव आई और उसने पेड़ को ही उखाड़ दिया एंड सब बह गए उसके अंदर. तो एल्मा सॉ एक बड़ा सा उसने लकड़ी का टुकड़ा तैरता हुआ देखा. तो एल्मा झट से उसके ऊपर चढ़ गई और फेंट हो गई. तो उसने लेकिन जब व्हेन शी वोक अप, जब उसकी आँख खुली हॉस्पिटल में, तो उसे पता चला कि सब कुछ उसका चला गया है. सो दीज टू गर्ल्स, द पीपल दोज हु have survived in this tsunami really were so traumatized कि वो इस बारे में बात भी नहीं करना चाहते. सो ओके क्लास 8, do your word meanings and the comprehension check. ट्रू फॉल्स जो दिए हुए हैं वो आप अपनी नोटबुक में करिएगा. एंड ओके बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. गुड बाय.